Mama, don't cry. Mama, don't cry for me.
Annie!
Mama, don't cry. Because I don't know.
Why are you here? You're supposed to be in your shop by now.
Yes, you're correct, but I ran here for my life.
Your life?
Those bad boys came and confronted me. Eh?
Hey. Oh, Zed, but I told you.
Yes.
Eh? I told you, I said you should not collect money from these people. Look, you see it now? Eh? You are pushing these people into sin.
See, Andy, I didn't come here to listen. You're not a church. You're not a pastor. I didn't come here to listen to all that rubbish. I'm here to save my life. I just came here. Anywhere I can hide here, it's okay for me.
But, Ozed, you know I can't do anything. You know it. They will see me as far. Maybe I'm joining you into your evil doing. You know it, so I don't think I can do it.